The top
no, if you look right there, there's going to be a thing that, yeah.
I don't know what you're saying because you didn't finish your
thing
sentence.
that, see, you can lower it here.
Alright, so today is day 1 of engine work. It's going to be really exciting because we haven't really looked at the engine yet. So, I'm excited, but also super nervous because we might find some surprises that might be costly. So, I mean, I already know some of the more costly things, like I got to replace the battery because the one that's in there is like held together with a bungee and it's cheap and it's terrible. But real quick, I'm going to change it to something a little more appropriate for working on a van in the oil. Ready? Alright, ready to go. We're about to open. No, it's just, you just gotta pull it out. Yeah, it's not even connected.
This
you
thing's
just gotta...
attached to it?
Yeah, that is.
Oh, okay.
Max, what are you doing here, sir? Get in the van. Get in the van. Get in the van. Get in the van.
Get in the back of the van.
We're about to look at it. This is the engine.
Yep, that's it.
Well, looks like an engine.
Yep. I'm just poking around. Poke, poke.
Poke, poke.
We should start with the easy stuff.
Yes.
The top is
No,
rusted.
if you look right there, there's going to be a thing that, yeah.
I don't know what you're saying because you didn't finish your
A
sentence.
thing that, see, you can lower it here. Okay, so let's start with getting a couple things accomplished.
Okay.
Like changing the oil and then seeing if there's a leak after that.
Okay.
Getting a new oil screw, whatever that's called. And then change the oil. What else?
Transmission flush?
That one's, I mean, yeah, we should get the stuff to do it.
That's like one of our big ones.
And
so.
then watch the video.
Oh yeah, we should see if we can get the cement out of those buckets.
I can check to see if the spark plugs are bad or not. I just pop one out and look real quick.
I think we should change them anyway.
We can change them anyway, yeah.
So we bought a battery. It was like $250. But got a warranty. Look, I just spent my life savings on stuff for the car, but look, I got oil.
But your car is the life. Is your life.
Sure, it's the way of the life.
We're gonna do a lot of engine stuff today.
We're about to get dirty.
It's gonna get gross and angry.
No, no angry. No anger.
I'm gonna eat something.
Yell.
Well then stop and slamming the door.
See your radiator hose?
Yeah?
Like it's... Oh, I don't know. Never mind. I don't know if we're gonna be able to jack this thing up unless we can go right here. Let's just see what happens. Actually, I don't know, actually. Actually. To be honest with you, I don't think we need to jack it up right now.
And why are we?
I don't know.
Okay, so I'm checking back in with y'all. Check it out. So, we did a lot, I guess. I just got mostly dirty. It was really awesome. We changed the oil, except we haven't finished changing the oil yet. But we emptied it and changed the oil filter. And I was going to put more in, but this is a little short and I can't really pour it well. But we got the air filter changed right there. And then Alicia got, I mean, we did this together. We got the spark plugs changed. We just need to change the distributor cap. And then all that stuff. The battery that we bought fits, so we can put that in once we get new. We have to get new wires. Just this one, because it's gross. And then we got to figure out other stuff. Transmission. All that.
I don't know where the fuel filter is.
Oh, and we also have to find the fuel filter. Also, I got the steering wheel cover. It's pretty XOXO Gossip Girl. I love it. So we can't find the fuel filter. If anybody knows where it is,
Well, we need to find, where's,
just let me know.
you know what?
Okay, so we found the fuel filter. It was right here. We were looking way in the wrong place. But I just looked at this book and it was like, here it is. And I was like, oh, here it is. So now that we found it, we're gonna change it. And we've never done anything like this, so this is the first time. So the first step is to place some rags under the fuel filter and fittings to catch any gasoline that is spilled as the fittings are loosened. And then hope for the best. Okay, we removed the old fuel filter,
You just tighten it until...
which I think was the original that was part of this in 1985 when this was all this was installed. Look at it, pretty rusty. Alicia's putting in the new one now. And it's looking pretty good. It took us a while because it was in there really good. You know?
Okay, I'm just gonna
All right, so we are about to...
What?
I'm talking to the camera, come on.
Oh, sorry.
We're about to drain the transmission fluid. And then change the filter and the gasket. And then we're gonna refill it so that maybe the transmission will work better. You can put one of the cloths there. You wanna put a cloth there?
No.
A catch cloth? A catchy cloth. Let's sleep outside.
These were not on there. There it goes.
Oh, here, now I hear it.
That's what I'm talking about.
That's the stuff right there.
I think I need a 6 pans.
What? You needed 6 pans? 6 pants, none the richer.
Oh, there it goes. Woo! Oh yeah, Chad, that doesn't look bad at all.
Well then what's wrong with the transmission?
I guarantee you it's an air thing.
You can't guarantee that, Alicia. Don't guarantee stuff like that.
Sorry.
Oh my god. Alright.
I think it's...
At least you had somewhere to set it.
Oh my god.
Do you need anything?
I just...
A towel?
I think... Oh, it went in there.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay.
Fell right into the pan.
Look, that looks pretty good. Huh.
We need more light. We lied to Dad.
9/11.
Never forget.
Oh.
I need a flam dash light.
Okay.
Don't let the dogs out. Seriously. I locked them inside. Whoa, 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 whoa,
Now look at it.
whoa. Trippy, 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 trippy. Okay. Silicone lubricant. Is that what it was?
No. Yeah, that's what it was, but we don't need that. We need actual, like...
You're just making noises, so. We need actual Oh, looking at her stand.
Maybe Dad has some in here.
Maybe we should ask him. He got any? Here's some fire block sealant.
Oh, that was for my fire pit thing. Dad said, where are you?
I'm in here. I mean, out here.
Oh,
We're skateboarding.
Dad said it doesn't need silicone if it has a rubber gasket, and if we ever want to take it off again, we won't be able to.
Okay.
Now, try to go back. So let's not do that.
No, but that's so hard. You just trip on nothing.
It's there's the thing. Where's the light?
It's over there.
Oh, this is crazy. Let's get this torqued up and then be done.
Okay.
You got it. You got it.
Okay, I'm gonna come that way. You ready? I'm gonna trip over what Alicia just did. I did it! I skated. I skateboarded. I'm a skateboarder. Skateboarded twice.
Okay, so I'm gonna torque what I'm supposed to torque, right? And this will be good, and then we can see what happens.
And then we can clean up in the dark.
I say we put everything on the table and then put it in the
Oh, that's a really good idea.
Yeah.
Best idea you've had all night.
Okay, I'm gonna torque.
You're gonna.
Does that...
Okay, I'm gonna twerk.
Can you tell? Is it
Yeah,
done?
we all saw the twerk.
We all saw the torque. Okay,
Okay, did you not know where you were gonna go with that?
No.
Okay, under here.
Under here.
Like there's choices.
Yeah, right.